As an Azure administrator, you carry the responsibility of keeping systems resilient, not just when everything runs smoothly, but especially when they don't. Whether it's a routine patch or an unexpected hardware failure, your role is to make sure your virtual machines are prepared and your business continuity remains intact. Let's explore how you plan for both planned and unplanned maintenance or downtime in Azure. Your first step is to develop an availability plan that takes into account the three primary scenarios you may encounter: unplanned hardware maintenance, unexpected downtime, and planned platform maintenance. Each of these events can affect your virtual machines differently, and your plan must cover strategies for handling all three. Imagine Azure predicting that a physical machine hosting one of your VMs is about to fail. You don't get a long notice period, but the good news is Azure steps in with live migration. Live migration is a built-in mechanism that quietly moves your VM to a healthy physical host. The VM is paused briefly, and although it's preserved, you may notice temporary performance dips before or after the move. Your task? While Azure handles the infrastructure, you need to ensure your applications can handle short pauses gracefully. This is where fault-tolerant design comes in. Sometimes, failure strikes without warning. Disks crash, racks go dark, or a network segment drops out. In these cases, Azure will automatically heal the VM by migrating it to another healthy machine in the same data center. But here's the catch. During this healing, your VM goes offline briefly and reboots. You might even lose the temporary drive, so never store critical data there. Your responsibility? Design workloads with redundancy and recovery in mind. Use availability sets or availability zones to minimize the impact of unplanned downtime. Microsoft periodically applies updates to the underlying Azure platform, hardware, firmware, and hypervisor layer. These updates are essential to improve security, enhance performance, ensure stability and compliance. These updates don't touch your VM's OS or applications. You are fully responsible for managing and updating the software inside your virtual machines. What should you do? Stay informed about planned maintenance schedules. Use scheduled events in Azure to detect upcoming maintenance impacting your VMs. And plan your own update windows in line with business operations to avoid clashes. To stay ahead of downtime, design for high availability using VM scale sets, availability zones, or availability sets. Use Azure Monitor and alerts to detect and respond to system events. Always backup data, especially if it's on ephemeral or temporary drives. Test your resiliency and recovery scenarios regularly and stay proactive. Don't wait for alerts. Review Microsoft's service health notifications. So, what's your key takeaway? In Azure, planning for downtime isn't a sign of pessimism. It's a sign of professionalism. You're building systems that endure the real world, not just ideal conditions. The more resilient your design, the more confident your business stakeholders will be. So keep planning, keep preparing, and remember, downtime isn't the enemy. Unpreparedness is.